Hey, watch. Sit down.
Hold on, turn around.
That's the easy way to mount your paddleboard when you're getting in at the dock. No falls. Does that help? I can come back.
Yeah, I'm trying to avoid it.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on. We're being a butthole.
But you're not hot anymore, right?
I ain't got no cold clothes. I got cookies.
Yeah, I got a food.
Hi.
Is your GoPro right?
Huh?
Is it sitting correctly?
It's on there?
Is it? Can you see it? Can you see your screen?
Well, not now. It's
Oh,
time.
you don't have it turned on? I was gonna say it looks like it's pointing downward.
No.
Oh, you
The
want
screen
it?
times out after a while on the front. They don't just keep running.
And it's on you, right?
Yes. The other one I got for Duncan because it's not got much battery. GoPro, stop capture. Oh, you son of a bitch. I must not have that set up. GoPro, stop capture. Damn it, I gotta set that up.
What up, outside trips? Yee! And I wonder.
There's a couple manatees just swimming past us. I didn't get much, but hey, there they are. I mean, we do that with people
They sure as
too.
hell ain't gonna call me Swifty, right?
Right? Why you call him Shorty? Because he only got one arm.
Yeah, you know.
I'm sorry, I can't master the fucking brownie, okay? I'm working on it. Don't get mad. We ain't mad.
I didn't let them know how to approach it.
I'm not sure I got the teeth for these brownies.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro.
I have to break out my spare teeth.
That's why I had to say I had to decline. I had to decline.
It's got a great taste. If you like burnt. I'm beginning to know what happened to Lefty.
Fucker got cooked. Hey, look. It's Mama and her baby swimming downstream to their friends. Ducks! There's ducks! Them are ducks, babe. Little whistling ducks or something. I was wrong. Them are Anhinga babies.
They're just a very kind of uppity, kind of fuzzy guy. Yeah, Lisa's, no? At the end of my blue transparent.
So I've got a YouTube channel called Outside Trips.
I'm gonna have to save this brownie in case we get a rock bite.
Ducky ducks. Smile, bitch. Damn, this phone takes nice pictures. And there's Mama just watching over them.
What kind of phone is it?
The S22 Ultra. Galaxy. One little, two little, three little manatees, four fat manatees resting on the floor. There she goes.
Everybody just, deliberately tearing shit up. But it was jumping out all the trees and rope swings.
Yeah. Like that'd be a good tree. They had more. They had a deep spot underneath it.
There used to be a cable across and you could swing from one side over to the other side. What? And they had a rope to pull it back with. There was a big old gorilla. That's where the rope went to, was the gorilla.
Yeah, man. Gorilla! He jumped out of the zoo and punched Water Boy right in the eye. I like this little spot right here. I don't know what it is about the curve and the way this fucking tree hangs and shit on it, but it's always such a pretty little corner. That's where
Years from now, that oak right
manatee
there
were
can
up in there that one time, remember?
That's that bamboo right there? With the yellow star, golden star.
Yeah, it looks like it. Sure looks like it, sir. It definitely is. That's actually, I think, native to Florida, that stuff. You're good. I seen you say I want to go, so I grabbed my paddle because I knew you were going to get away. Oh, I've done that. Yeah, it gets a little skinny in through there.
It was nice knowing you.
See ya. Have a beautiful time.
I'll be there.